Hello and welcome to the Umbraco Learning Based channel. My name is Isha, and in this video I'll give you an overview of the Umbraco Cloud Portal. The Umbraco Cloud Portal helps you manage all your Umbraco Cloud projects in one place. Today I'll guide you through creating your very own Umbraco Cloud trial project, exploring the platform and introducing the features and options that make Umbraco an ideal solution for your website needs. Let's get started. If you're new to Umbraco Cloud, signing up is quick and straightforward. Head over to the link try.umbraco.com/cloud and create an account with your credentials. Once you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions, click Create Account and continue. On the next screen, enter your mobile number and click Send Verification Code. In this screen, enter the code you receive and click Verify Code and start your trial. It takes a couple of minutes for your project to spin up. Once it's ready, you'll see two options. For this video, I'll select the second option. Here, you can enter the login credentials you just created to access the portal. Before we dive in, I would like to highlight that Umbraco Cloud is continuously evolving, so what you see in this video might differ slightly from what's currently available. This is the Umbraco Cloud Portal. At the top, if there's an important message from Umbraco HQ, you'll see it displayed with a Read More button. The Create Project button allows you to create a new cloud, baseline, or hardcore project. Clicking your user profile provides quick access to projects, pending invites, profile, release notes, and logout option. When working on a cloud project, the left side menu gives you access to various configuration options. The Overview section consists of the Environments tab, where you can view and manage your project's environments. Trial projects only have one environment, but depending on your plan, you can have additional environments. The Team tab allows you to add and manage users, view user groups, pending invites, and technical contacts for your project. In the Summary tab, you can get a detailed overview of your project. The Insights section consists of Project History, where you can access your project's history to review activities. The Availability and Performance tab monitors the health and performance metrics of your Azure hosting. The Usage tab tracks media storage, bandwidth, custom domains, and content node usage compared to your plan's limit. In the Connections tab, you can manage database connection details and whitelist IPs. In the Automatic Upgrades tab, you can opt in or out of automatic upgrades. Set up or modify CDN cache settings for your hostnames here. In the Hostnames tab, you can add custom hostnames to your project. The Webhooks tab allows you to configure deployment webhooks triggered by successful deployments. In the Advanced Settings tab, you can manage CI/CD flows, static outbound IPs, IIS logging, and other technical settings. The Backups tab allows you to create database backups for one or more environments. If you're on a professional or enterprise plan, you'll also see Certificates tab, which allows you to upload and bind custom HTTPS certificates. The Security section allows you to configure public access, restricting access to project members or specific IP addresses. In the Transport Security tab, you can set transport security options for your host names. In the Secrets tab, you can store sensitive information like API keys or connection strings as environment or shared secrets. In the Dedicated Resources tab of the Management section, you can change your cloud project to run in a dedicated setup with additional resources compared to the shared setup. The Upgrade Project tab allows you to upgrade your project to a standard or professional plan. You can rename your cloud project here. The Delete Project tab deletes your cloud project permanently. Remember, deleting a project permanently removes all associated data, media, and configurations. And that's it with the different configuration options available on the cloud portal. Finally, let's talk about working locally. Once your site is live on Umbraco Cloud, you can clone it to your local machine using Git. Cloning is simple and requires just a few commands. This flexibility allows you to develop and test locally. It's a great stepping stone for diving deeper into Umbraco Cloud workflows. That's it for today's video. I hope you're excited to start your journey with Umbraco Cloud. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials to learn more about building and managing your Umbraco site.